Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is April 26, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have a lot to go over. We have an earnings extravaganza out here. We also have Mario Draghi comments coming out at the moment as well. So there's a lot to cover. Looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures are up 9 points today to 26.53.5 per contract. So all in all, the futures are catching a bid. And again, markets had a pretty good day yesterday after an early dip. They got defended right into a very, very key level. And we've gotten a good little bounce. So we'll see where we go today. We'll see how it all plays out. But again, these are seesaw markets. Up and down is the way it goes. But let's get started here. We have the major stocks out here with Facebook. Facebook being the big one today. You'll see the stock trading at 172.10. It closed at 159.69. So this is a very, very good pop. I happen to think Facebook still could have some legs to the upside to around 176, 177. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone here. But we'll look at it intraday. We'll see what kind of pattern it gives us. But ultimately, this one could have a little bit more upside in the cards. I'm thinking a 176, 177 level. Now, in sympathy to Facebook, you'll often get stocks like Twitter, TWTR, catch a little bit of a bid. Sometimes Snapchat will catch a little bit of a bid, SNAP. So again, that's happening. Keep those on the radar as well. We want to take a look at another big one here, which is General Motors. GM reporting earnings. Stock right now is trading at 37.75. So GM down a little bit, closed at 38.11. Let's take a look at Chipotle Mexican Grill, CMG. Stock is trading at 387.80. This is a great move. I happen to think, though, you're getting into real good resistance levels as you approach the $400 area. Watch the weekly chart here. You'll see the stock right now has this big wide range red bar. There's going to be a lot of resistance there, but great move for Chipotle this morning. Again, resistance is in play. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at AMD, which is Advanced Micro Devices chip player. The stock right now is trading at $10.76. That's up $1 from where it closed yesterday. So good little move for AMD. Big resistance today in AMD is around $11.45, maybe $11.50, right in there. Not sure it gets up there, but again, if it does, there should be very, very good resistance at that level. Let's take a look at eBay. Oops, typed that in wrong. eBay this morning trading at $38.85. That is down from $40.97. Was down a little bit more after hours yesterday. I'm going to have levels ready to go for eBay. We have a good shot at that getting into our gap level. I'll post that up right at 9 a.m. And again, we're going to have lots of levels today for all of the stocks in play. Let's take a look here at AT&T. This is a long list. We have AT&T right now trading at $33.65, closed at $35.20. So this is a pretty good haircut. I'm going to have to work on levels here. I don't see anything right off the bat that I love. There is a big double bottom, though, for AT&T going back to November. That's at $32.55. That might be okay. We'll have to look at it when it gets there. Let's take a look here at American Airlines. AAL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $43.77. Closed at $45.25. It went down to around $42.50 this morning. Has bounced up a little bit, but I'm going to have levels ready to go for American Airlines. Keeping with the airline theme, let's take a look at LUV, which is Southwest. That is trading at $51.36, closed at $53.83. So that's a good haircut for Southwest. I'm going to have levels for that as well. Let's take a look at Xilinx XLNX is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $63.64. You see it here trading at $66.75. So good move for Xilinx here. That is trading higher this morning. We'll watch that one once the opening bell rings. Right now, I'm not seeing anything I would do with it immediately, but we might have some resistance levels in play for that. Let's take a look at Las Vegas Sands, LVS. The stock right now is trading at $72.62. Closed at $72.34. So it's been all over the map in the pre-market and aftermarket, but the reality of it is it's pretty much right where it closed at the moment. So we'll keep that on the radar. I would do nothing with it yet. We'll see what it does. Let's take a look at PepsiCo. PEP is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $100.96. Closed at 15. So it's basically right where it closed. I still think there's a lot of support around $97.80, maybe $97.75 in that area if it does get there. Let's take a look at a big player here, UPS. UPS right now trading at 108. Stock closed at 108.66. So again, no major movement there. Let's continue with Visa. Visa this morning is trading at 124.50, closed at 121.21. So you got a little bit of upticking there. There's a lot of resistance in play for Visa, right around 126, but the trend is up, so you want to respect that, and we'll see how that goes. Let's do one more here. We'll go with PayPal. PYPL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $77.30, closed at $74. So this is a good little pop here. Again, it's still kind of in a sideways range. We'll have to look at that one a little bit later, but PayPal in play today. There are a lot of other stocks. Many I'm not even going to be able to get to today, but we'll be looking at these and many, many more once the opening bell rings. If you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had another fabulous day yesterday. Again, 2018 has just been nothing short of a blockbuster. If you haven't done so, come on over, trade alongside of us. The volatility out here has been incredible. We get volatility, we get lots and lots of action. And again, this has been just a fantastic year, 2018. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $3.20. That usually means the dollar is dipping a little bit. And you can see the dollar this morning moving lower. The dollar has been on breakout on a daily chart, but you do have the Mario Draghi comments coming in, and that is affecting the dollar a little bit. I still am in the camp. The dollar is just on pause mode before another move higher, so we'll see how it plays out. But we do have the gold market right now down $3.30 to $1,326.20 an ounce. If you follow the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 125.55. Let's go over to crude oil. Crude oil is up again today, another 54-cent gain for crude oil. Right now trading at $68.59. If you look at the USO, what you're going to see here, crude oil, USO trading at 13.86. That's up from 13.72. So crude just continues to power on to the upside. Again, we'll see all of this and much, much more once the opening bell rings. We'll have more for you there. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room and trade right alongside of us. Like I said, it's been a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody have a wonderful, wonderful trading session, and we will see you on the charts.